In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new canvas on Mural. It's quite simple, but understanding the steps clearly will ensure you can start your creative process without a hitch. In Mural, what we refer to as a canvas is actually called a mural, and setting one up is an intuitive process that begins right from your main dashboard. To get started, you'll need to log into your Mural account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, also known as the home view. This is your central hub, where you'll see any past projects, recent activity, and where you have access to start new work. It's from here that you'll begin creating your new mural. Now, let's locate that new mural button. It's quite conveniently placed on the top left corner of your dashboard. Depending on your interface version, this button may read Plus New Mural or simply Create New Mural. Clicking this will bring up a selection window that offers a couple of different starting points for your new canvas. At this stage, you'll have two primary choices. First, you can opt for a blank mural, which essentially provides you with an empty, infinite whiteboard. This is perfect if you are looking to visualize something entirely original, as it gives you the freedom to design every element from scratch. Alternatively, you might prefer to start with a template. Mural offers an impressive library of pre-made templates suitable for a variety of activities. Whether you need guidance for brainstorming sessions, agile ceremonies, or specific workshops, these templates can give you a great head start. Once you've selected whether you're going for a blank slate or a template, it's time to address the details. Naming your new mural is essential, so type in a title that clearly represents the task or topic you're about to tackle. Remember, you can always tweak this name later if you need to. Next, you'll decide where your mural will live. This involves selecting both the workspace and the room where you want to save your canvas. If you bypass this step, it might automatically be placed in your default workspace or another general room, making it harder to find later when your project list grows. After you've named your mural and decided on its location, the final step is simple. Just hit the Create Mural button. This will set up your new canvas, ready for you to dive in and start collaborating or working individually. And that's it. These easy steps will have you ready to explore your creativity and enhance your collaborative efforts in no time.